Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to do a quick video on how to install 4-bar map sensors on an Audi TTRS. Let's get started. So this is a fairly easy install. For me, I'll be installing the Unitronic map sensors. There's 2 of them. There is one behind the throttle body inlet, and then there's one up here. So unfortunately, the way that this is set up, you have to remove the whole upper intake manifold in order to take all of this apart to remove this sensor. So what we'll be doing is removing the 5 bolts up here. We'll be undoing the charge pipe. This car doesn't have a bolt here, but there's usually a nut with a bracket holding some of this fuel line up right here, so that's a 10 millimeter. And then I'll show you how to pop the upper intake manifold off. Okay, so I have all the clips off, so diverter valve, throttle body, first map sensor, second map sensor. And what I did is I took a little crowbar and got it loosened up. So the manifold is loose, and let's pull it off. Okay, the upper manifold is off. There's the factory gasket. And then over here, you can see the manifold. So with this, it's a T25 to take off the factory map sensor there. And then you have to remove, there's 4 bolts that hold in the throttle body. And as you can see, 2 are on that side, 2 are on this side actually, and there's 1 right here. So you have to remove this whole assembly so that way we can access that map sensor. Oh, and look who sleeved the block. Okay, so the Unitronic 4-bar map sensors are installed. It's recommended that you clean the mating surface of the manifold on both parts and use a new gasket along with new 10 millimeter bolts. Let's get it back together. And just like that, it's done. So make sure you connect everything back. The easiest way to make sure that you don't mix up the throttle body with the diverter valve is the throttle body always has this little clip on it. Everything's tight. Time to flash a map and make some power.